Hi, everyone. I just want to tell you a little bit more about the photographs that you're going to take to accompany the interviews that you were supposed to turn in either today or tomorrow at the latest. So, what you have probably already done is chosen a subject for your interview, probably someone that lives in your house or yourself. Um, and then after you ask them the interview questions that were included with the assignment, you will then type up the interview and then post it into the Google Slides presentation that is in the assignment for today. Then what you are going to do is take their photograph. So in the slideshow, there are examples of Dawood Bey's photographs that he used for class pictures, and you'll notice that he always has the subject making eye contact with the camera, and then they always have their arms in some sort of position. Their hands or arms are featured in the image, sort of like this or like this. And most of the time, there are no legs, although if you capture your person in a seated position, the legs might show up a little bit like that, but this will not be a full body picture and it won't be a standing picture either. It's going to be a sitting picture, a seated photo, and you are going to make sure that you get your subject as close to straight on as possible, so not a profile image. You'll use an informal setting wherever your subject is, in the house or outside. They can just wear everyday clothing, nothing special, just what they would probably have on right now anyway. And then their expression will probably be kind of neutral or expressionless. So they don't need to smile. And if you look through not just these, but if you click through the whole presentation, you'll see that Dawood Bey's subjects are not smiling, or if they are smiling, it's a very slight smile, but not like a full tooth type of expression. And then the other thing is they have to be making eye contact with the camera. So you can click through the whole presentation. I just showed you a teeny little bit of it so I could tell you more about the pictures. But then your pictures will be due on Monday, so shoot them over the weekend. And then you will just insert them into the picture slide that goes next to the interview slide that you already did or are going to do tomorrow. All right. If you have any questions, send me an email or a note in Classroom. And have a great weekend. I miss all of you. Hope things are going well. And if you have any funny stories, please send them to me. I'd love to hear them. All right. See you later.